Today we're going to be repairing the rope gasket on our firewood stove. We bought this guy off of Amazon 3 years ago. Right now, when we start a fire in the wood stove, you can see the fire glowing around the edges of the door, meaning that air is getting in there, coming through the cracks, and it makes your fire burn a lot faster and your wood doesn't last as long. So I'm curious, when we repair the rope, how much longer this wood stove will last us, as far as how long the wood will last before I have to put more wood in there.